Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty. If you've been on the hunt for a fragrance that's not just a scent, but an experience, you might want to stick around. Today we're taking a look at Room Service by Vilhelm Parfumerie. With its long-lasting floral notes, this fragrance promises to be more than just a fleeting moment. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Room Service comes in a sleek 100ml bottle, offering a luxury experience right from the packaging. This floral fragrance is designed to linger with an emphasis on long-lasting wear. Whether you're headed to a dinner party or simply want to feel indulgent during your daily routine, this scent is meant to keep you enveloped in its essence throughout the day. As soon as you spray it, the floral top notes unfold, almost like stepping into a fresh bouquet of flowers. It's not overly sweet, but there's a subtle elegance that comes with each layer of scent that emerges. The floral notes are well balanced, with hints of gardenia, jasmine, and a light touch of rose. As the fragrance settles, it transforms into a softer, almost powdery base that gives it a sophisticated yet cozy feel, reminding you of a perfectly made hotel room. Using it in real life, I found Room Service to be easy to incorporate into my routine. The fragrance is not overpowering, but it's definitely noticeable. 1 or 2 spritzes are all you need to create a lasting impression. I wore it to an afternoon gathering, and by the end of the event, I could still catch a faint whiff of the floral notes in the air. This speaks to the longevity of the scent, which is impressive for a floral fragrance. However, if you're someone who prefers more bold or musky perfumes, you might find this scent a little too delicate. It's soft, elegant, and sophisticated, but it lacks that depth that other fragrances might offer. On the plus side, if you enjoy more subtle, nuanced perfumes, this is a great option that doesn't scream for attention, but still leaves a trace. In terms of design, the packaging is minimalist yet luxurious. The glass bottle feels sturdy, and the sprayer is smooth, making it easy to apply without any fuss. The longevity of the scent is a huge plus, and it holds up well throughout the day. I didn't have to reapply it often, which is a real testament to its staying power. Considering the price point, Room Service is certainly on the higher end of the spectrum. If you're investing in a luxury fragrance that promises both elegance and lasting power, it might be worth it. However, if you're on a budget and prefer something more intense or complex, you may find it hard to justify the cost. It's a lovely scent, but could be considered an indulgence. There are other floral perfumes on the market that offer similar experiences, though they might not have the same level of sophistication or longevity. If you're looking for alternatives that are easier on the wallet, brands like Jo Malone or even Diptyque offer great floral options that could meet your needs. To sum it up, Room Service is perfect for those who enjoy subtle, elegant fragrances that linger without overwhelming the senses. If you're into florals and want something that will last through the day, this might be a good fit. But if you're seeking something a little more bold or musky, you might want to explore other options. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other fragrance lovers can discover this video too. Your support means we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried Room Service or have any floral favorites, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think.